Hey, hi. How we have to work with an admin, teacher, and student modules, right? So let me directly jump to the final modules which we have not implemented previously, and we have added in this particular updated project. Okay, so now it is completed project. Okay, so I have added the validations. Like I have now added the validation. Like you can do copy or you can paste any content or you can right click. You can't switch it tab. Right. I have added all kind of validations. And let's select directly go to the demonstration. Okay. And I have removed the noisy data as well. Okay. So there is a Python attend the exam. Okay. There is a total 10 exam. First you need to open the camera. Okay, and then you have to click start. Once you click start, then it will start detecting. And I have also increased the performance of detection part. Okay, and now system is quite fast as compared to previous and more accurate as well. So here you can see you can answer the questions, like what are questions you are able to answer it. Just let me select randomly. Okay, so first let me select all the questions and then we'll go for the violence actions. Okay, I'm selecting random answers. Okay, so I don't have time to give the correct answer. Okay, so as you can see right now I have answered all the questions. Now let me try to paste some content. Okay, so let me try to press Control C. So see, as I press Control C, it is giving me alert, right? And it has captured. Okay, and it will store in database. This student has break did this violence. Okay, similarly suppose if I click right click. Okay, so it is also captured. And suppose I try to switch the tabs. Okay, and I have come back. Okay, this violence is also got captured. Okay, it capture everything. So similarly suppose I am showing some mobile phone. Okay, so it will first try to detect. Okay, just like see right now it has detected, right? So like that I have done. Okay, and if you have break more than three violence, so big violence, not like a copy paste. Like if you have showing, if you have used three times mobile phone, or if multiple persons has got more than three times, then it will automatically terminate the exam. Okay, and I have also added a counter, 15 minute of counter. Okay, so which will once time gets over, it will automatically submit. Okay, so let me now submit the answer. So once you submit, as you can see right now, I have submitted exam, and then you can go to view exam, and you will be able to see the question. So I have got 14 marks out of 20, and I have selected random answers. Okay, so this is the student portal where he can check the marks only. Okay, similarly, suppose if I go to admin section, uh, let me go to the admin section and let's go to the student section and then student marks. Okay, and then go to the student id, and the I have attended Python exam, so I can go to Python and then I can check. Okay, so as you can see right now I have attended this exam, so I got 14 marks. Attend number 3. Okay, date. And there are four violence which are kept, right? I have tried to copy the content, right? I have right clicked, I have tried to switch the apps, and I have also shown the mobile phone probability object, right? So like that it has detected, showing the keyword type of violence user has break, and how many violence are breaks, and what are the marks they have got. Okay, so like that you can admin can view keyword type of violence they have break. Okay, similarly you can add a question and you can do anything, right? I have already told you all these things. So yeah, so it's completed now.
This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.